In this video, we will explore the group by operation in Pandas library. I will explain what group by means, show you a real world scenario, and demonstrate how to use it in Python. The group by operation in Pandas is a powerful tool that allows us to group data based on a specific column or columns. Once we have grouped the data, we can perform various operations on these groups, such as aggregation, transformation, or filtering. It's like having a pivot table at your disposal in Python, which is incredibly useful for data analysis and manipulation. Set up a simple example. Imagine we have a data set of sales transaction. First, I will import the Pandas library. So let's say we have this data set. I will create a data frame of this whole data. Okay, perfect. Now let's say we want to analyze the total sales per product. This is where group by comes in handy. We will begin by grouping our data by product column. We've just grouped our data by product column. Now we can perform operations on these groups. Let's calculate the total sales of each product. So now here's the explanation for the code. In this code, we start by creating a simple data set with columns of date, product, and sales. We then use the group by method to group the data by product column. We calculate the total sales for each product using sum function. You can also use other aggregation functions like min, max, or count. So that's how group by works in Python. I hope you learned something from this video. Now, if you still have any doubt, you can always go to the comment section and ask them there.